Hello again, Grace chatting back again, looking at is it love or is it limerence? And what we're looking at today in this video is why this feels so intense. It's so baffling, isn't it? Because this isn't just emotional, it's something your brain is doing. Now, it's helpful for you to become aware of this. It's something your brain is doing. What makes this experience so powerful is not just the feeling itself, it's the way your system responds to uncertainty. When something matters to you and it isn't fully clear, your brain doesn't switch off. It pays more attention. When something's uncertain and unclear, you try to figure it out. And your brain starts to anticipate. It begins to wonder, well, what did that mean? Was that more? Was that less? I wonder what will happen next. And when something does happen, even just a small, tiny thing, it lands much more strongly than it normally would. And it may be a message, a short text, a little moment of connection, or a sign, but you feel it. And then when there's a period of time when there's no little message or connection or little sign, then you feel that too. And you wonder about it. And that movement between anticipation and response creates a kind of a loop. And the more the loop continues, the more your attention is drawn back. This is why it can feel almost impossible to stop thinking about them. Not because you're weak, but because your system has learned to stay engaged. And so you just, bear with me on this little series and do some journaling as you go through the series, and see where you are with all this. In the next video, we're going to look at why is it, even when you understand this, you still can't just let go. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.